All right. So if you right click on a file and you say, for instance here, I right click and I say reveal in File Explorer, it will open up the File Explorer, your File Explorer, and it will be opened in the directory where all these cursor files are. So this is where mine is. And let's see what we have. There's index, for instance. If I right click on index and I say copy as path, I should be able to open it up in my web browser. Or let's just right click and say open with Google Chrome. So this is how the page looks. So in the web browser, right click, open it with whatever web browser you use, and this is, then it will then open it up, and what you'll see is this page. So let's see what it did and how good it is. Felt and Vine. Oh my goodness, that's not too bad. All right, look at this. Look at that icon there. Look at these icons. Can you see they all match up? They have the same feel to it. So without even any real imaging, except for the top one, we used icons. There's our basket with nothing in it yet, but look what it did already. It put a little badge there to show there's nothing in your basket. Here's your basket. Your basket is empty. I don't like this. I wanted to pop it up rather than having a separate page. But this is the things that we will fix once we do the functionality. We just now want to see how everything looks like. But this is nice. All right, there's some example products. Add to basket. Look there at the bottom, added to basket. That one added to basket. All right, and it even shows it's added to the basket. There it shows botanical. All right, so that works. There's about us. Caregiver Sage. Why custom blended matters. That's very nice. So do you think it's a page that a customer will already like? You send this to him tomorrow, or give it 2 days so we don't think you did very little for a lot of money, which you did. But remember, this is the thing. You're not getting paid for your time. You're getting paid for your knowledge. You're getting paid for what you can do. All right? So what do you think of this page so far? You can now start adding things to it. The planning, I think, is good enough. I'm not going to concentrate any more time on planning. I think you can see that the plan was executed successfully. It looked at the brand. It looked at the brand colors. It actually didn't come out too bad. I'm more of a guy that like live, live type of vibrant sites. But of course, for a herbal type of setup, this is actually quite good. All right, will I change anything here right now? No, I will create more images. For instance, if we go to the About page, look, we're in this together. Oh man, the wording is really good. Veld en Wine is a South African herbal I don't know what it is, built on care, curiosity, and straight talk about what herbs can and can't do. Look at its wording, all right? It's on brand. Why custom blends matter. So in this About area, you can now go back to Kimi, take this part and say, look, let's continue creating prompts for the images. So this will be an image prompt that you create for the About Us page, and here is the Euro text that we use. So create me an image appropriate. The same for FAQ. Questions we hear a lot. Straight answers, no jargon wall. If yours isn't here, say hi on the contact page. This is nice. And we haven't looked at the contact page. It may say send. There we get a very nice toast here at the bottom. Words start making sense, right? Let's go through it. Here is your navigation bar. So we need a nice logo still, right? That I'm thinking of. All right, then. Here's a card, but also the card. Look at the movement. It's not overdone. More movements and so forth. I'm happy. But I think what's going to be now in the next lesson is how to make changes fast. So create your own page, go to the brand. In the end of all this, I'm going to ask you for a package of files. The first one will be this web page. Don't use the same, don't use what I've just used. I want you to create maybe even a website for yourself. I want you to do a brand analysis. I want you to have branding files. I want you to have a master prompt. And I want all that to be sent to us so you can get past, right? Oh, by the way, here's the privacy. This is a plain straight what we may collect, how we use information, terms. This is just general terms and conditions. It looks good. We just need the images, man. This is something you can already give to a customer, but yes, we're going to make some changes to it. So that's for the next video, and the next video is all about making changes in an easy way using Cursor. I'll see you in that video. Bye for now.